Hello, I'm Grace Ann Molbog.
I'm Dexter Russo. I'm Edema Ricamata.
For today's video, we are going to learn about the Chapter 8, Nature's Numbers, entitled Do Dice Play God?
Just sit back and relax and enjoy learning mathematics.
So the dice represent the randomness and unpredictability.
It represents chance and probabilities. Père Simon de Laplace was a French mathematician, astronomer, and a physician, who is best known in his investigation stability of the solar system. Analytic theory of the probability, first established in 1812, in which he described many of the tools he invented for mathematically predicting probabilities that particular event will occur in nature. He applied this theory not only to the ordinary problems of change, but also to the inquiry into the cause of the phenomenon, viral statistics, and future events, while impressing importance for physics and astronomy. Probability, the chance that something will happen, unlikely that some event will occur. Probability equals the number of the achieving success over the total number of possible outcomes. When a single dice roll, there are 6 possible outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The possibility of one of them is 1 out of 6. What is determinism? Determinism is a philosophy, is a theory that all events, including moral choice, are completely determined by previously existing causes. Determinism is usually understood to preclude free will because it will set human cannot act otherwise than they do. The intellectual legacy of Isaac Newton was a vision of the clockwork universe. So, what is the clockwork universe? It compares a universe to a mechanical clock made by God and take along as a perfect machine, with its gears governed by a law of physics.
Second theories and the determinism. First is in classical mechanics and second is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics, it was a view quantum determinacy that prompted Einstein's famous statement to his school that you believe in a God who plays dice and I in complete law and orders. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics which we describe physical system so that properties like the energy, like the irregular momentum, are discrete quantities are the quality's smallest units are quantum. Classical mechanics, the mathematical study of the motion of everyday objects and of course its effective, is called classical mechanics. Classical mechanics is often called Newtonian mechanics because nearly the entire study built of Isaac Newton, especially the law of motion. Now, let me explain to you the 3 laws of motion. First law is the inertia. Inertia states that an object remains at rest or continuous in unformed motion unless it is compelled to change the action of all force. Example, a bicycle or a car keep moving unless the rider apply additional force to stop it. Second law of motion is force and acceleration. Newton said the second law finds relationship of chance and on the speed of the moving car, its acceleration, and the force putting upon it. Lastly, the third law, action and reaction. Newton's third law that states that there are no accelerated forces that exist one of the equal magnitude and opposite direction acts against its action and reaction. For example, a ball thrown into the ground.
Simplification of error is the logical graph which displays perfect determinism. noise, unpredictable, hence irregular. For this reason, assistance plays sensitivity to initial conditions. Said to be chaotic, the idea came to be known as the butterfly effect after Loring suggested that the fluff of the butterfly squeeze may automatically cause a tornado in Texas years later. This illustration is emphasized that small changes in one state may result